So just got back from the gym, finished my workout, and today is my day off. Good day so far. Gonna grab bananas from the grocery store there, and I'm gonna check out a gym. I'm thinking of getting a second gym membership because sometimes it's nice to have a variety. It just helps with mood and different experience, different machines. But anyways, I really want to talk about loneliness because I feel like this is one of the main problems, one of the common problems when it comes to building your future, trying to work on yourself in a new country, right? You might be living here for a few years, you might be here for 8 years, 10 years, but this thing never ends. You're always gonna have phases in your life where you will feel lonely or low, or you feel like you're alone, right? Because if you are doing something different, if you are doing what everybody is not doing, or you are separating yourself from that regular immigrant norm, then you will find yourself lonely. Yes, because see, most of the people are busy. They are just busy going to work, having fun on weekends, eating, enjoying life, and they're not aware of what's going on, right? But when you try to work on yourself, when you try to fix your life, maybe your health, skill, business, career, whatever, then you're gonna see that people will have a different reaction, right? Because not everybody wants to work on the self-development, right? And that is going to leave you kind of alone or lonely. Yes, you will have friends, but not everybody is going to go with you at the gym. Not everybody is gonna start reading with you. Not everybody is going to learn a new skill with you, right? Because those things are not easy. Like, they feel hard in the moment, but people don't want to do that. But anyways, I'm not supposed to preach. I'm supposed to talk about my story as well and how I overcame it, because I have seen it in my life as well. After a few years, when I realized that I was not living the right way, I was just going through the motions, going to work, saving dollars, helping my family, all of those things that are like basic. Everybody does that. I was doing that. And when I started really committing to my goals, like going to the gym, fixing my health, getting in shape, trying to become someone that I can be proud of, basically, right? Like, for example, right now I'm making a video here. That means that yes, I am confident in my abilities. That's what I really wanted to achieve when I started my journey. And in order to do that, you really have to work on yourself. You can't just half-ass things and expect to become the person that you can respect. And after a few months, I started noticing a pattern, that I kinda got lonely, alone, because people were not ready to do those things with me, or the friends that I had. I had a lot of friends at work, a lot of friends who were like, my college mates. So, all of those friends started to kind of neglect me or avoid me because I was trying to focus so much on my self-development, right? And those were like hard phases in my life. I was alone, sitting home. I didn't have friends. I mean, I had friends, but nobody to go to the gym with me, nobody to learn what I was doing, nobody to listen what I was trying to say. I was trying to tell everybody, man, like, we are supposed to live this way. Like, we are supposed to focus on ourselves as well as our career. We are not supposed to just go to work and go through life. That was my message, but nobody was listening. And that's probably the reason why I'm so hard on these things on social media. That's the reason why I make videos all the time, right? About just this message of build your future as well as build yourself, not just future, right? Because that can lead to problems, like just building future. Because I have seen those problems in my life. And I see so many people, when they feel lonely or when they don't feel good after work, on days off, they just don't do anything with that, because you think that if you go to the gym or if you really work on yourself, you're not gonna feel good because you are lonely. But it's opposite. You're gonna feel so much better, right? And that's the reason why you feel lonely. That's the reason why you feel like you are not happy and it's not satisfying. The life here is different. Back home was good and I don't know where I'm going in life, because you are not prioritizing your self growth. You're not fully committing to your goals. See, I'm alone. I don't have too many friends now because I'm in that phase again. I was before a few years ago and now again, because now I have to really focus on myself, on my goals, right? The things that I do. And who is gonna come with me? No, nobody. So I have to accept it that I'm going to be lonely, right? But I know I care about others. I care about my family. I care about you, other guys who are watching my videos. So I have to accept it and I have to work hard in those moments, in those lonely phases. Because if I just sit home and, feel like, oh, I'm lonely, I just sucks, life is not fun, then this is going to become more worse. Like, I'm gonna feel that, downward spiral. And that's where a lot of problems starts. Because loneliness is the first step, and then you get depressed, and then you gain a lot of weight, and you start eating junk food, and that's where somebody's downfall starts. I'm telling you, I have seen so many people who came here with the hopes of better life, but after 10 years, 15 years, they left because they could not handle the pressure. They could not handle this lifestyle, this loneliness. As long as you are continuously working on yourself, as long as you are continuously improving yourself, you will never get depressed. You will never feel lonely. This is it. I'm telling you. I think life is just a journey of self-discovery. You learn so much about yourself every single day, and it all happens here, right? This is just a reflection of what is going on here. I was talking to one of my clients yesterday, and he's living in the USA, but he's making amazing progress. He has lost about I think 5 kgs in the last 21 days. And as we were chatting on a video call, I asked him about his past experience, like how he got to that position where he was. Like, I think he's trying to lose 35 kgs. So I asked him, like, what happened, and he told me that he was lonely, he was living alone, he was just kind of sad and depressed because life is empty here, and he started eating junk food, didn't go to the gym at all, just watching TV all the time in his free time after work, on his days off, because he did not have a lot of friends either. And this is normal. Like, if you don't have a lot of friends, don't think that you are different or you are not a good person. I think that is normal. I don't have a lot of friends. It's all about quality. Even if you don't have a lot of friends, that's fine. Like, we are not gonna go and ask somebody to give us money or help us because we are working, right? It's not a personality thing. It's just culture thing, right? Or the environment thing. But he understood that he was in that problem and he needed to exit out. That's what he did. Now he is going to the gym consistently. He's eating his meals. He's consistent with the goals. And now he doesn't feel like that. He's happy. We are always texting each other. He's enjoying the process. So that's the thing. I'm telling you, nobody is going to understand you better than you. You understand yourself better than anybody. So you have to prioritize. You have to fully commit to your goals. That is what is going to make you feel so much better about yourself. That is what is going to help you get out of all of these vices that are holding you back to move forward in your life.